What is your word?
Barista.
Thank you very much! My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. To try to read your mind by reading your body language, buboy, okay? So think of this word over and over again. Isipin mo okay, uy, tumitingin ka dito, so parang may kinalaman yun dito. Hindi siya nakahawakan. Think of the first letter. Yung napapagalaw ng body language natin is our subconscious mind. Kung may iniisip siya, lumalabas sa gesture niya, parang gusto mo sabihin, B. Letter B. Yeah. Isipin mo kung nakahawakan ba siya. Nakikita mo to araw-araw. Feeling ko, ito yung word niya. Okay? Now, Buboy, for the first time, loud and clear, malakas para marinig ng mga fans mo dun sa likod. What is your word?
Barista.
Thank you